Hello friends, this is Sumit. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to set up Decathlon 3 people dome tent. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So guys, this is the tent package. This is how it looks. It's a very lightweight package, weighs 3 kilograms only, and very compact as you can see. So very easy while you carry it for camping. And let's open it now. This is the tent basically, and here's the tent cover. It has a small pocket. Let's see what's inside. Some pegs, and guy ropes. I will show their use later. For now, let's keep them aside. For now, let's open the tent. Now, keep it down and roll it over. Now, we have a tent cover. We'll use it later. A packet of fiber rods. It contains 2 fiber rods. We will use them now. First thing you have to do is to connect these fiber rods. These are very easy to connect. You don't have to do much this way. Once you are done connecting both the rods, keep them corner to corner like I kept. And now we will connect these rods to the tent. There's one sleeve at every corner, and we will slide the rods in like this. Now let's connect the rod in all 4 corners same way. Now take the central hook up and connect it to the upper rod like this. Same way, connect all the adjacent hooks. So guys, the tent structure is now ready. One important thing you have to keep in mind, that keep the zipper side of the tent to the direction where you want to have the entrance and exit of the tent. I will rotate it like this. So here's the zipper side. Next task is to put rain cover over this tent structure like this. Make sure that this zipper side is to the front. Connect these hooks to the base tent like this in all 4 corners. So guys, tent setup is almost done now, but if you are camping in windy weather, you need to make your tent more stable, which you can do using these pegs and ropes, which I have shown earlier in this video. Take one peg and hold this loop and pull slightly, and slip this peg in at 45-degree angle towards the tent so that it doesn't slip out easily. Same way you can install remaining 3 pegs. So guys, remaining 4 pegs are meant to be used with the help of these ropes in the loops provided in corner. take one rope and tie it this way in the loop. Now take one peg and pull this rope a little bit and slip this peg at 45-degree angle like we did earlier, this way. Same way we have to do it for all 4 corners. Tent setup is now complete. Let's take a walk around. Let me show you a small ventilation window which is at the back side of the tent. It's fitted nicely now. So let's go inside now. Open up the zipper first. Open up the second zipper, which is of base tent. So it's very spacious from inside. As you can see, its dimensions are 195 by 210 mm, which is more than a king size bed. So 3 people can fit very easily inside, and height is also good enough to sit inside. And one more thing, it is properly enclosed from all directions to keep away all kind of insects and reptiles. Moreover, you don't have to worry about ventilation. There's a big window in the rear, and same kind of window is there in front cover also. There's a small hook at the top to hang the tent light or any little stuff. There's also a small gap between inner tent and outer cover to avoid condensation. One thing I missed, which is this little space which has been designed very beautifully to keep your shoes safe from rain and dew. If we talk about the quality of this tent, it's amazing, and its top cover and base is totally waterproof, and inside feel is also superb. So guys, we are done with setup. Now let's quickly pack it. That's it for this video. If you found this video informative, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.